What do you mean you're not going on the cattle drive? We've been planning this for weeks.
I'm too hurt to be of any use anyway. I hate to leave you, but I trust you two to lead it without me.
Thanks, Dad. Consider it done.
When will we see you again?
I'll send a telegram just as soon as I can.
Take care of yourself, Dad.
Yeah! I can't believe it. I'm leading the cattle drive?
Well, I'm gonna start rounding up the cattle safes.
Oh, Six, everything's going crazy. My father just... Six, I know you're jittery, but you need to eat. What's wrong with you? Aren't you hungry? Haven't you eaten anything? Coal. Yuck. You don't eat coal? Then how? They're after you, aren't they? Those bandits weren't here to steal from the town. They're looking for you.